Welcome to our Procreate Tips and Hacks video, where we will be sharing tips and hacks that we currently use on Procreate to help make your digital art experience more enjoyable. In this video, I'm going to show you how to create these Gaussian blur button stickers in Procreate using the clipping mask. Keep watching to see more. Don't forget to subscribe to see more videos like this and pop over to our Instagram page for more ideas and inspiration. Open your Procreate app and select your canvas. Draw a circle on the canvas and add in some color. Open a new layer and select the clipping mask function. Then add in a variety of colors that you wish to appear on your stickers. Go over to the wand tool and select Gaussian blur. This is one of the best functions on Procreate. It is fantastic for blurring and blending multiple colors. Slide your pen across the screen to increase the intensity of the blur. Go back to the original circle and duplicate this layer. Go back to the Gaussian blur function to blur this circle. This will create a shadow. Select a new layer and add in the clipping mask, and then add in some highlights and shadows. Then remove the background layer to make the image transparent, and your digital sticker is ready to use. I hope you found this video useful. Don't forget to comment, like, and subscribe, and pop over to our Instagram page for more ideas and inspiration. Thank you for watching, and see you in the next one.